So this is going to be the start of the Florida vlog. So we're just in the house now, getting all of our suitcases and stuff ready. We're leaving in about 15 minutes. So this is going to be video 1 of 3. So we're going to Florida for 3 weeks. So we're doing a travel and our first week vlog, a second week vlog, and then a third week and coming home vlog. So yeah, we're just getting everything together now, and then we are heading to Dublin to start the trip. So I'll see you guys when we get down to Dublin.
No, I've cleaned up more.
I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you. So we just got down to Dublin and checked in for our flight over to Gatwick. We're staying in Gatwick tonight, and then we head to Orlando in the morning. So we just got to the Premier Inn at Gatwick Hotel, at Gatwick Airport in the North Terminal. We're staying here tonight before we fly to Orlando in the morning, and right now we're just walking down to get some food because we've already had all day. So pretty much tonight's going to be pretty chill. We're just going to get some food, head back to the room, watch some TV, and then go to bed, and then obviously in the morning we'll head to Florida, so we'll probably just see you guys then. We are just leaving the Premier Inn to head to Gatwick Airport to head for our flight to Florida. So we had a really bad sleep last night. We were up all night. We just couldn't relax, couldn't get over, but it's probably the excitement. So now we are wide awake, heading to the airport, and our flight's in about 3 hours. We're gonna get something to eat and then get on the plane. Ooh, love her. Hi. So we're just in Gatwick Airport now. We've just had some breakfast. Got a couple of bits out of Boots to eat on the plane because I don't really like plane food. So we're just done and about doing a bit of shopping at the minute, and then we'll be heading to the plane. Are you excited? Wave. Say hi. Just now waiting on our transport to our hotel. It's 8:30 in Orlando right now. It is absolutely roasting. We're not going to be doing much tonight, but we'll update you whenever we get to the hotel. Good morning! So we didn't get much time to talk to you last night. We came in and went straight for something to eat and then on to bed. But this morning we're up bright and early and heading to Universal for the first time, and then we're going to do some shopping. So we're staying in the Rosen Inn at Point, so we're just now waiting on the wee bus to come and take us to Universal.
tick-tock, you don't stop. To the heart, tick-tock, you don't stop. I wanna text you up. Tick-tock, you don't stop. I wanna text you up.